RV102 Preventive Maintenance, Lesson 6. I'm going to lightly touch on fluids. Disclaimers. Standard disclaimer on all Amazon links. It helps support me continuing to author books and courses. You pay nothing extra by clicking on that affiliate link, but I do make a small commission on your purchase. Everything in here in this course was written by me. There is no artificial intelligence AI in this course. Any mistakes you find are truly mine and mine alone. Lesson 6.1 for those of you with motorhomes. You might want to check, you might have some or all of these that need to be checked. Brake fluid. If you have a diesel, you need to check your DEF. Oil. Radiator fluid. Transmission fluid. And windshield washer fluid. Lesson 6.2. If you have a generator on board, you will more than likely need to check oil. And depending on the size of your generator, you may have a radiator cooling system on it. You'll need to check the fluid for that also, just like you would have to do in an engine. Lesson 6.3, generic fluids. Those of you with leveling systems, if they're hydraulic, you need to check your hydraulic leveling system fluid also.